Me and Billy Joe and Mary Beth were raised up on the path of righteousness. Made a solemn vow that we'd always be close and never wander far from Sawmill Road. As the years went by, the world began to change. One by one, we outgrew those childhood games. Mama cooked and cleaned and worried about our souls. We got into beer and cars and rock and roll. We knew Jesus was the answer and Elvis was the king. Blue suede shoes and rock of ages were the songs we learned to sing. Innocence went out of sight and we just watched it go. Yesterday got left beneath the dust on Sawmill Road. Billy Joe went to Saigon for Uncle Sam. Now I go to see him, he don't know who I am. Once a year I get a card from Mary Beth. She's with husband number 4 somewhere out west. And I still live in the old house where we were raised, on this red dirt road the county never paved. Now I'll watch my kids and worry about their souls, and pray they'll never wander far from Sawmill Road. Well, we knew Jesus was the answer and Elvis was the king. Blue suede shoes and rock of ages were the songs we learned to sing. Innocence went out of sight and we just watched it go. Yesterday got left beneath the dust on Sawmill Road. Yeah, we knew Jesus was the answer and Elvis was the king. Blue suede shoes and rock of ages were the songs we learned to sing. Innocence went out of style and we just watched it go. Yesterday got left beneath the dust on Sawmill Road. Me and Billy Joe and Mary Beth were raised up on the path of righteousness.